for today, let me share with you on how to change your Facebook page name. First of all, let me share with you that I'm using my Android phone. When you're going to do this, you have to make sure that you have your Facebook application installed in your phone. Now after that, please make sure that you are using your Facebook page here. And now, as you can see, I'm here in the home tab of my Facebook page. After that, go to the upper right side where you see your picture, and then go to the settings and privacy, scroll down and click settings. Now you will be prompted here in the settings and privacy. Please scroll down, and under the audience and visibility, you will see here the page setup. Click the page setup and you will see here the name, username and such. I want you to click the name, and then here you may change your name. And then after that, once you change your name, let's say for example this, click review change. Take note only that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days.